What is the best vacuums under $300? Here are my full reviews of the best vacuums under $300, together with key features. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Hoover MAXLife Pro Vacuum Cleaner. If you are fascinated with finding the most versatile indoor vacuum cleaner, then Hoover MAXLife Pro can be the right choice for your household. Cleaning after pets and children can be both a time-consuming and tiring job, but with this upright vacuum with incredible suction power, your home will shine. Multi-purpose cleaning tools can help you clean the pet hair, and the Crevice tool and advanced action brush can deal with carpets, hard floors, and hard-to-reach places. It is bagless with a dirt canister that is easy to empty and wash. HEPA filtration will catch tiny dust particles and pet dander. Key features: upright, indoor vacuum cleaner. Bagless with an XL-size dirt cup. Multi-purpose tools for any surface and pet hair. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Eureka PowerSpeed Vacuum Cleaner. When you are tight with the budget and need to buy a highly affordable vacuum cleaner, then this vacuum cleaner will give you the best result for the money. It is an excellent choice for households with pets because it can deal with all kinds of debris, including pet hair. This vacuum is suitable for cleaning the different surfaces because it has 5 height adjustments. With the powerful suction, it will clean hard floors and shag carpets with the same efficiency. After the cleaning, just empty the sizable dirt cup, and the vacuum is ready for the new task. Key features: upright, indoor vacuum cleaner. Bagless with an XL-size dirt cup. Multi-surface cleaning features. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Shark Apex Corded Vacuum Cleaner. This Shark stick vacuum has DuoClean and 0M technologies for the most efficient cleaning. It is a corded vacuum cleaner that quickly turns into a handheld vacuum cleaner to help you clean a quick mess. Your carpets and furniture will have a new best cleaning friend. This corded vacuum cleaner with its 30 feet long cord features dual action brush roll that will collect debris of almost any size. The sizable dustbin is easy to empty and wash. The LED lights and Crevice tool will clean the hard to reach debris around your home. Key features: corded, stick vacuum cleaner. Dual action brush roll. Sizable dustbin. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Ufi Robovac 11's Robot Vacuum Cleaner. When you think about robotic vacuum cleaners, you might think that they are way over the budget. But this robotic cleaner is both affordable and an efficient cleaner. It has a 3-point cleaning system with 1.5 hours runtime. When the battery is empty, the vacuum returns to its charging base to recharge. The dustbin is quite sizable for a robotic vacuum cleaner. With 0.6 liters capacity, it can collect a lot of debris, but it still needs to be emptied regularly. It works both on hard floors and thin carpets. With its infrared sensors, it can successfully avoid obstacles but clean thoroughly around them. Key features: robotic vacuum cleaner. 3-point cleaning system. Self-charging with 1.5 hours runtime. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. ORECK Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum cleaner is a classic model with a disposable dust bag and strong suction. Still, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver around the house. With its 35 feet long cord, you do not need to change outlets too often. The dust bag needs to be replaced when it is full. But with a capacity of approximately 10 liters, you do not need to do that too often. It has strong suction and a brush roll that will easily collect all the hair and debris from your low carpets and hard floors. Key features: an upright vacuum cleaner, corded with 35 feet cord, a disposable dust bag with approximately 10 liters capacity. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.